Welcome. Here I am with the quick tutorial how to get Skype on your new Huawei P40. So the first thing is to get the second smartphone with the Google Play Store, and right now we have to enter Play Store, click on the search, and right here we have type Skype, click on the install, and now we have to wait a little bit. Click on the open. We are going to check if it is working. Yes, it is. Right now we can sign in or create a new account. And right now we have to open the application to transfer data. I'm going to use phone clone. Open on your Android phone and your P40. And as you can see, we get two options. We can choose the new phone and the old phone. And of course, our new phone is Huawei P40 and the old phone is our second Android smartphone. And right here we have to choose the phone type of our old phone, and this is the Huawei also. But if you are using Samsung, Xiaomi, LG, Sony, on any other brand, you have to tap on the other Android. And if you are if you have iPhone, you have to tap on the iOS icon. So let's click on the Huawei, and right now we have two ways to connect. The first one is scan the QR code, and the second one is to connect manually with the password below the QR code. I'm going to scan the code because this is the fastest way to connect. We don't have to type anything. And right now we are waiting because our smartphones are connecting. Right here is very important to click on this marker to unselect all of these things. Then we have to scroll down, click on the apps and data, and we are looking for our Skype. And here it is. Select, tap on the OK and transfer button, and if you get the lock screen, you have to input this method. Oh, what is going on? Am I drunk or something? 1, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 9. Okay. Sorry guys, it was my bad. And right now we are waiting because P40 is importing the Skype and it's finished. So right now we can check if it is working. And it is. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.